Hello guys, I'm Hassa with WTI, and if you're a girly girl just like me, you'll love this beautiful bag. This is the Women's Medicine Saffiano Leather Saddle Bag from Kate Spade, New York. I love the color. This is the conch pink, and it's a light pink, but it's not baby pink at the same time, which is something I love because it makes the color super neutral. It comes with several pockets that you don't even notice until you actually use the bag a couple times. When I first got the bag, I didn't know it had so many pockets because they're kind of hidden. Because the fact that the pockets are not so noticeable makes the bag even more special, stylish, and elegant. Love the logo right here with the golden letters. That's so cute. Love the quality. It's really sturdy. It's really easy to clean. I love the strap as well because you can remove the strap, and in case you have another one which is golden, it could make the bag elegant for a dinner at a nice restaurant. If you want to use it for a casual day and you don't need your look to be too elegant, well, you can't leave the strap on, which is really thick, and it looks so good with any outfit. It can be jeans or skirt, it doesn't matter. The color is really versatile because it allows you to match with other colors that are brighter or even lighter, and yeah, that's something I really appreciate. It has 4 extra pockets in total, the perfect size for any day when you don't need to carry your laptop with you. It fits anything from my wallet to lipstick or any makeup item. I also like the fact that these little hooks right here allow you to clip your hand sanitizer as well. So that's great because they have enough space for any other clip. The straps is adjustable, so if you want it to be longer or shorter, you can do that too. This one from Kate Spade, I recommend. I am in love. It's so perfect and it's beautiful as well. And that's my point of view.